What I really like about Tozo is that they make a huge range of headphones, earphones, all these kind of things, even smartwatches, little speakers, and they're good for every single kind of application you want to think about. So if you need one that is in your ear, some of people don't like that, take these ones. These give a bit more sound around you as well. Nice full sound. You've only got 5 equalizer settings, but the bass sound is pretty good. It's nice and clear. 12 hours on here, which is pretty good. Another 42 in the case, charging. It doesn't have a charge display, USB-C of course. And think about these guys, they're very light, very comfortable. You can adjust them, it's very easily adjustable. It's not very tight at all. And once you have them in your right place, you can go and do your thing. Morning guys, morning campers. And yes, we are camping. A lovely place here in northern Wales. Today we have the Tozo O2s, or as otherwise known as open buds, and these are pretty cool. You can adjust them for any ear size, and also this. Can you hear that? Obviously you got your controls here, tapping, very good. These are called open buds because they sit on your ear, and I'm going to do a little ear modeling. You can adjust it here so it sits nicely. Very comfortable, very light, but very well made. I like that click. So these are actually made for if you want to have a bit of ambient sound around you, if you want to be cycling, or if you're driving a car and you might have an ambulance behind you, but you're in the air cancelling earphones like the NC3s, which are really good for that. Or if you're traveling, you want something that will give you a nice sound, but it's also give you a bit more of ambient sound around you. What I like about them is that they go into pair mode quickly. As soon as you put your Bluetooth on, take one of them out, and we're connected already, as you can see right here. Top right, on your Tozo app, it picks it up really well, which is quite nice. It gives you some EQ modes. I've got to say, I have a number of these things, and I have to say, the O2, the open buds are probably my favorite at the moment. Very well made, super comfortable. Sometimes I forget they're on my ear actually as well, which is rather good. They last a really long time. Been using them for about a week now, on and off, all day long, every day. And I've still got about 40% of the battery life left, which is really nice. I can definitely recommend them. There's a link below. Obviously, you can have a look at the rest of their products. Really well made. They're a big company, so I think you can trust them as well. The nice thing about these things, which instead of having a cord, is that you can have one each. So if you want to both hear the song and you're driving along, especially in a landy, loud as anything, the radio doesn't work. These are really handy. Also, if you want to tune out management, maybe you get a different pair, because these ones will allow you to hear what's going on outside, which is also pretty good. So there you go, the Tozo O2, or open buds as they're called. Really nicely made. I'm really impressed with that. So have a look at those guys. The link is down below for their website. Check out all the other products. They've got some specials on as well at the moment. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to carry on listening. And as we take in the lovely views of Wales, I'm going to say keep rolling.